Joining me now, CEO and investing Diva and author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, Kiana Danial. Kiana, a lot of folks are making pretty strong projections about where Bitcoin goes, including $100,000 in 5 years. Is this your prediction?
So, hi, Charles. So this is a prediction of so many Bitcoin activists, including myself. And the reason mainly comes down to supply and demand, because Bitcoin, there is ever only going to be 21 million Bitcoins. 4 million of it is already being lost by people who lost their wallet 10 years ago. So just because of supply and demand, this is pure math. We could see it going higher and higher. And just from a price action point of view as well, Bitcoin does have a tendency to add zeros to its price. So back around 2011, it was $10. It took about 4 years to go from 1,000 to 10,000 in 2017. So doubling that time frame for maturation could get priced towards $100,000.
All right, so of course that math was always built into the equation. I was always concerned about it. I think others were, but now it's obvious that there's greater acceptance. In fact, major news from PayPal, others accepting Bitcoin. How important is that, and how much has that really been the reason, one of the reasons it's taking off again?
100%. So it all comes back down to the definition of money. So the definition of money has to have a few characteristics. For example, enough people must have it, merchants must accept it, and the society must trust that it's valuable enough and that it will remain valuable. So PayPal getting behind crypto is absolutely huge for people actually getting the brand image that, okay, Bitcoin is not that thing that dropped and crashed in 2017. It's something that is reliable. Maybe there was a hype back in 2017, but it could in fact be something that more merchants and internationally can accept it, and people can actually use it for their payments.
Although, how many people are using it for transactions more as an investment? It feels like it's replacing gold, and people are storing it away as a store of value. To your point, if it could go to 100,000 in 5 years, there's no way I'm going to buy Christmas gifts with it.
100%. So Bitcoin definitely has become the definition of gold 2.0. And I believe it's actually more valuable than gold, because we never know how much more gold we can find under the sea or in an asteroid. But Bitcoin, there's always going to be just this much, 21 million. And the matter of the fact is that, yes, right now there is a hype around it. I do think, and I'm seeing in the cryptocurrency industry, that people are planning to sell a little bit of it right now once it hits the resistance level of $20,000. Right. So we could see a pullback for sure. But Bitcoin definitely is volatile. So if you're just getting in it because we just said, oh, 100,000 projection, please don't buy just because we said this. We don't want another repetition of 2017. But yeah, long term, right. That is something that we could definitely see.
Yeah, I love the caveat and the warning. I mean, obviously, it's been extraordinarily volatile. I've got just less than a minute, but I do want your thoughts on the notion. We saw a lot of global governments push back on cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, and now some are creating their own versions, including China. Does that take away from the value or the growth potential of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency?
In my opinion, absolutely not. That's the beauty of Bitcoin. It is not backed by any government. Even if governments say, hey, Bitcoin is banned, who are they going to ban? Like, who are they going to ban? It's not that there is a Bitcoin customer service they can, call up. It's a decentralized cryptocurrency. It's the only purely decentralized cryptocurrency out there, because we don't even know who created it. The Satoshi Nakamoto thing is still a myth. And there is no government or a specific one entity right. that backs it up. And governments can't just go and ban it. So I don't think that really is going to change the valuation.
Well, you've been spot on. I think maybe it's a book more people should pick up. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin Investing for Dummies. Kiana, thank you very much.